So right now, because we named some of these things throughout the episode, but let's say a beginner level cloud engineer, what would be the top 5 skills that they need in 2026 to get in the cloud?
So if you're a beginner entry cloud, cloud, I'll say cloud engineer. I won't do administrator because cloud can be broad. You can be as cloud security, cloud engineer, cloud administrator, stuff like that. But I would say, I don't want to say top 5. I want to give a tech stack.
Yeah, go ahead. Go for it.
So number 1, you need to learn a cloud provider. It could be AWS, it could be Azure, it could be GCP, Google Cloud, right? And so learn a cloud provider. Then you want to learn just basic computer information, like learn the hardware aspect of it, like CPU, RAMs, just how, like what is a computer? What's the components inside a computer? And then learn computer networking, right? How computers talk to each other. How the basic level of computer networking. Then you want to learn Python. Okay, Python is a very easy entry level coding language. I personally hate coding with a passion. Okay, you do not need to know how to develop and build applications. You do not need to know how to speak Spanish. You need to be able to understand it. Okay, I'm not coding from scratch. I'm able to work around code, understand that this is a variable, blah, 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 and I use ChatGPT to actually build the stuff for me. Or you're going to work with code as a cloud engineer, but you do not need to develop it. Okay, you want to learn SQL, which is another coding language. This is how you communicate to databases to pull, retrieve, or store different information. You want to learn Terraform, which is a IAC tool. I'm not going to explain what that is. It's just being able to automate certain tasks to build out infrastructure in your cloud provider. You want to learn Ansible, which is a configuration management tool. You want to learn Jenkins, which is a CI/CD tool. You want to learn Docker, Kubernetes, Prometheus, and Grafana for monitoring. So let's keep it simple. This is the tech stack that you should learn if you want to break into cloud engineer. AWS Cloud Engineer Platform. Learn the different services. Computer hardware, computer networking, Python, SQL, Terraform, Ansible, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, Grafana, and Prometheus. If you learn the ABCs of what those tools are, those technologies, and ask ChatGPT, build me a real-world projects that where companies, the problems that they're currently facing, what project can I build to have experience to solve that problem? Give me those projects. And then ChatGPT will give you those projects and you can ask it to help you build it. And so now when you create your resume and you have those projects, companies need somebody to solve that problem. And now you're going to show that on your resume. And then when you get the interview, you articulate what you did to solve that problem. And that's essentially what I really teach in my program in a very high level way. Speaking about it from high level, we go into detail in the program is what I'm saying, but that is what you should do if you're looking to break into cloud as a beginner.
Perfect. Now,